You're in the room, you need to present, your device doesn't support Miracast or AirPlay, or you're on a different network segment. BrowserCast solves this in under 60 seconds. No apps, no extension, nothing to install. Step 1. Open any supported browser on your computer and navigate to ScreenBeam.me. Step 2. You'll be prompted to enter a PIN shown on the display. This PIN ensures that only authorized users can connect to this receiver. Step 3. Once connected, select Share Content and choose what you want to share, a tab, a window, or your entire desktop. Audio sharing is available across all modes. Tab sharing, though, is recommended when audio is required. Your content is now sharing to the room, no one had to wait, no IT ticket required. BrowserCast is available on all ScreenBeam 1000 Gen 2 and 1100 series receivers. Learn more at ScreenBeam.com.